Alright, so here we are at my rose gardens, and it's not that easy to see now, but this grass right here, none of it would grow. All of it was basically over the top of what I'm about to show you, which is, you can see more of it here. There's some of the less decomposed wood chips that are still remaining, but what I'm actually showing you here is, this is a boulder. It's a massive boulder underground. So it doesn't get any harder than this. Okay, this is sandstone. And despite the fact that this is sandstone, probably down 5 to 10 feet into the earth, when I put these wood chips over the top of it, they created a layer of carbon that was essentially perfect for the grasses to root into. Okay, I'll go up here a little further. You can see it, how well it's stitched in. I'll show you over here some more of the broken down wood chips over the top of another massive boulder. Really, that's a boulder. I talk about this all the time, how you can actually grow a back to Eden garden right over the top of concrete. And see that right there? Well, that rock is a lot like concrete, has most of the same things in it. It's fairly permanent. It's probably been here for billions of years. I don't know. Dropped by the glaciers, but it made it really difficult for grasses to grow over the top of this hard stuff. Well, as you can see, the hard stuff is now taking on carbon, and the rocks that used to be far more exposed, well, they're starting to get covered up. And it works. But I don't pay as much attention to these areas here away from the roses. You know, so this is where I'll typically make sure that I have quality grass growing, and you know, we edge it to keep it out of the beds, and it just works really well. I don't know, tell me what you think.